Hello, this is Taj Tyres. I've got a Mitsubishi Outlander here on a 2015 plate and just did a full service on this. Just going to show you the location of filters and everything. Now to find out where your fuel filter is, it's right at the back there. So you got to undo two screws, which is a 12 mil, one on this side, one on that side. This bracket then comes out. To make it easier for yourself, remove the air filter box. It'll be nice and easy then. So once you remove that, unplug these, unplug the sensors. Once you unplug the sensor, the hole and then the two pipes right here, the intake and the outtake, and then remove the whole fuel filter housing onto a bench where you can then remove the fuel filter. The air filter goes right there, the oil filter is right at the bottom, and the oil, this particular model takes about 7.5 liters, but I would definitely check the car that you're doing. Just go with the recommendation. And with regards to cabin filter, is just in the glove compartment, just right at the back on the inside. So what you do, you push this side in, push that side in, the glove compartment comes down, and then you've got the little spring right there. You push, you take that out, and then the cabin filter is right on the inside, so which isn't difficult to replace. Now this is the vehicle. That's the one. If you've got it, if you've got the same one basically. Now to do it, I need to make sure I have the bonnet shut. Right, then the bonnet shut now, all the doors are closed. Now I'll get in the car. All I now do is, before I switch the ignition on, this has got a low mileage, so I'm not going to touch this ignition switch, which is right here. That's the start stop button. All I need to do is use that button right there. So if you look on the center display, which is here, now if I press it once, press it twice, now you see it's got 23,000 miles and 1 month left for the service. I then press hold the button, so it's flashing. Right, that did do nothing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get to a service again. I press and hold the button till it flash. I let go of the button, press again. That clears it to 35,000 miles now, which is 13 months. That's all you got to do on your car now. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video as well. Thank you. Goodbye.